In this first Unravel Ring doorbell clip, a family's doorbell camera captures a mysterious sight in their backyard. Pay close attention as the footage reveals a lone, blurry figure moving with an air of secrecy and intrigue. What could this unexpected visitor be up to? In this unsettling clip, prepare to witness an unforgettable encounter captured by a couple's evening stroll. As they returned from their walk, their doorbell camera caught a chilling sight, a strange creature perched on their windscreen.
Como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. Mira, 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 mira.
La tentación, líbranos y guárdanos de todo
Mira.
mal. Amén. Mira.
Mira, no mames. ¿Qué pedo?
Manches.
¿Qué es esa madre?
Mira.
Ah, su mouse.
No te pases
Miren.
de lanza.
In this bone-chilling clip, venture into the unknown with a group of daring explorers as they delve deep into an abandoned house far from city lights. Under the cover of night, they brave the eerie silence to uncover its secrets. Little do they know, their exploration takes a terrifying turn as they witness a chilling moment that sends shivers down their spines.
E che qui un po' battuto non capisci da dove arrivano.
Bravo, è quello che stavo per dirti. Raga,
Che cos'è quello, raga?
c'è qualcuno.
Cos'è?
C'è qualcuno. C'è qualcuno, guarda. Guarda lì, che c'è un'ombra. In
Nera.
mezzo al corridoio.
La
In
vedi?
mezzo al corridoio.
Ho sentito qualcosa, ragazzi. Io ho sentito qualcosa.
C'è qualcuno. Ehi?
E avevamo sentito quei passi correre prima, cioè...
Sì, sì.
Non è che stavano scappando da noi, si stavano organizzando.
Ehi? Chi c'è?
Che sta andando? Ciao, guarda.
Raga! Non potete capire! Cosa è successo? Qualcuno in fondo al corridoio! Come qualcuno? C'era veramente un'ombra! Raga, l'ho filmato! C'era qualcuno! C'era qualcuno che guarda il corridoio e passa avanti!
In this perplexing clip, we delve into a chilling recording captured by a family's doorbell camera. Late into the night, the camera catches sight of a blurry figure, vaguely human in shape, emerging from their house. What could compel someone, or something, to venture out under the cloak of darkness?
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this unsettling footage, a spine-chilling moment captured on a store's surveillance camera. Watch closely as a man diligently works inside the store, attending to items on a stand. Suddenly, he notices an object inexplicably falling from its place, only to witness it happening repeatedly. Perplexed and unnerved by this inexplicable occurrence, the worker's initial calm turns to fear as he hastily retreats from the shelf. In this eerie footage, moment captured by a night shift worker inside a secluded facility. As she hears an eerie sound echoing through the empty halls, curiosity compels her to record the unsettling event. What she captures on camera, however, chills her to the core, a sight so unnerving and inexplicable that it defies rational explanation.
And I hear things fall in the lobby. Not sure. And the lights are off. They were on. Oh, and they're on now. All right, yeah, I'm gonna be done with that. Oh, nope, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, what was that? So, not work again. Poulter's acting up as we're now referring to her. Maybe it's somebody. I don't know. Nobody should be here. You know who I am. Are you stuck here? Do y'all see that?
In this perplexing footage, we enter the realm of the unexplained with footage from a street surveillance camera capturing a bizarre event in the dead of night. Watch closely as a light drops from a streetlight pole and begins to move of its own accord. Viewers are left bewildered, struggling to comprehend this mysterious phenomenon. Could it be a supernatural occurrence, or is there a logical explanation for this eerie sight?
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this unsettling footage, witness a chilling moment recorded by a night shift worker inside a factory. Startled by a horrifying noise echoing through the silent halls, he bravely decides to investigate, capturing the unsettling event on his mobile phone. What unfolds before him leaves him stunned, a sight so disturbing and unexpected that it challenges his understanding of the night's quietude.
¿Quién anda ahí? Ponte la escalera.
Escalera caída. Pucha. Aquí no hay nadie. ¿Quién anda ahí? Todo está acá. No hay nadie. Esto está raro. Muy raro.
Jonathan initially saw a ladder standing upright in the room, but it was knocked over while he was alone in the factory. This raises the question, if he was the only one there, who or what could have knocked it over? Minutes later, Jonathan discovers the cause of the disturbance. Watch the video to see what he found out.
Puta abajo. ¿Quién anda ahí? No te tengo miedo. Uy, hijo de puta. No te tengo miedo. Hijo de puta. Las cosas que se cayeron. La loción. Sea lo que sea, no te tengo miedo. Para nada te tengo miedo.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.